Hello everybody! Guess what time it is? It is dinner time once again. And so excited for our recipe. I've been craving for this for a few days now. Actually, I've been craving for a lot of dish a few days ago. I wanna eat some palabok. I wanna eat some what's the other one? Sinigang. But for today's dish that I'm creating is soba. I almost forgot the name. Soba noodles. Because I cannot make palabok. I don't have ingredients for my palabok. So this is the closest I can do from my pantry. I have soba noodles. So, but anyways, let us go ahead. Let me go ahead and show you the ingredients because I'm pretty hungry. For the ingredients, of course, our soba noodles, and then garlic, onion, cabbage, cashew. Yes guys, I am putting cashew on my soba noodles, and my version, my creation, so I'm putting cashew, and then celery, carrots, water, and chicken, and avocado oil, and I'm putting some hoisin sauce, sesame oil, and our liquid seasoning. That is so delicious. Don't have that? Use soy sauce. Our chicken bouillon, salt, and pepper. What else are we waiting for? Let's start sauteing. Going to put some avocado oil. We're going to saute the onions. The garlic. And then the chicken. I put a little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. I'm just going to cook this until golden brown. And by the way guys, this is chicken thighs that I just cut up in small pieces. I like using chicken thighs compared to the chicken breast because the thighs are more juicy and it tastes better. For me, it tastes better. And I'm going to season it. A little bit of salt, pepper, lots of pepper, bouillon powder, and there is 1 cup of water here. I'm just going to put half a cup because the other half I'm going to put the hoisin sauce and the Nor liquid seasoning and the sesame oil for our additional flavor to this that we are adding later on. And then I'm going to put the noodles first because this one is kind of hard, these noodles, and I want my vegetable kind of crunchy, so I don't cook it for a long time. So I will put the noodles first. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more of the water. And I'm going to cover it. And so while we are waiting, I'm going to use the half a cup of water left over, and we're going to put the hoisin sauce. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And a dash of our Nor liquid seasoning and sesame oil. And just mix all of that. And then we'll add it to our noodles and chicken. I want to try the noodle if the noodle is halfway cooked. It is good. So we're putting all of it at one time. Well, actually I'll save the cashew. I'll put that last. Because you don't need to cook that one. Then I'm going to add the sauce. Hopefully we don't eat this all for dinner, so we have some for lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water, because the noodle, it's still a little hard. And I think it's ready to put the cashew. And I'm going to turn the heat off, because I want the cashew crunchy. And that's it. It is done. And then I'm going to add more cashew on top. Cashew is my favorite nuts, guys. It smells so yummy. That looks so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna pretend I know how to use chopsticks, okay? I know how, but not really that much. Not really that much. Not an expert is what wanted to say. Let us try. I'll put some on my plate. This is how I eat, guys. You're right. So let's try to put a little bit on my plate. A little bit of everything. I will try the chicken first. The chicken is tender, and the carrots, perfect, has crunch. Celery, the celery and chicken. The saltiness is perfect. It's a little spicy, but it's okay. And the hoisin sauce is a little sweet anyway. Gorgeous noodles. The noodles, it's how do you explain this? Soft and oh man, what's the word I can? Malagkit. Malagkit. What is malagkit? Sticky. I forgot. The noodles, it's sticky. He's passing by. This time I move my camera this side because in last vlog he's keep walking back and forth there. I'm gonna try the cashew with the noodles. Everything is all good combination. You see that, guys? That is the cooking time. It's less than 30 minutes. So prepping of everything plus cooking is less than an hour. Probably 45 minutes for everything or less. It depends how fast you chop vegetable. But the cooking time is less than 30 minutes. The cashew is so good because it gives sweet flavor to the dish, and I can taste the sesame oil. The cabbage is still really crunchy. I'm gonna get more. So hopefully we'll have leftover for tomorrow for our lunch. One of these days, guys, I'm going to do some cooking and me going to do mukbang. I could probably eat this whole plate. See how much I ate already. One more bite and then I will say bye. Because my boarders are waiting for me. Even Charlie is waiting for her dinner. She's staring at me a while ago. So if you guys don't have this kind of noodles, the soba, I guess you can use vermicelli or ramen noodles. But this soba noodles is really good because it has different flavor and it's sticky. So this is what the packaging looks like. I bought it from the Asian store. It's chuka soba. So that's the one. I'm going to finish this, guys, for my dinner. Of course, for my dinner. Because it's dinner time. But anyway, guys, try this recipe. And it is really yummy. You can also use this for snack, I guess. Or for breakfast even. So, again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys again later. Bye for now.